I had to pick up some items over the weekend, so here is a little haul of what I buy from Dollarama for my small business furniture refinishing edition. First up is these thank you cards, which I'm using in the meantime while I figure out my branding and logos and get some official ones ordered, which will be from Vistaprint. These little storage bags are perfect to hold the little paint containers that I have that I put extra paint in when I'm sending a piece with a client. They're also handy to hold like extra screws and stuff. I got this putty knife, which I have some larger ones, but I needed a smaller one just to be able to get into like the little nooks and crannies and small spaces when I'm trying to clean a piece or scrape it. Some duct tape because you never know when you're going to need it. As well as painter's tape. I like to use frog tape more often, but this is good if I don't want the finish, like if I have to put it over something and I don't want it to affect the finish, because it's not like overly sticky. So some of that just to have it in my arsenal. Another notebook, I just bought one. I use it to write down things because I'm a pen and paper type of gal, but my husband stole the other one for work, so grabbing a new one. I will be hiding this one. And lastly, some candy because fuel and I'm a real person. And yes, I will be hiding this from him as well. Comment below what you get from Dollarama for your small business.